More than half of Sudan's population of 50 million are facing crisis levels of hunger. Trapped in a war essentially between two feuding generals. The paramilitary Rapid Support Forces, or RSF, fighting against the Sudanese armed forces.
People need to understand Sudan is the single largest humanitarian crisis in the world.
The situation is at its worst in Darfur region, where there are fears of an ethnically targeted massacre if the RSF take over the city of El Fasher and a nearby refugee camp.
We have to prepare for the worst outcome. And the worst outcome is 1 million people being trapped in a kill box.
United Nations investigators say there is credible evidence the United Arab Emirates is using an airfield in neighbouring Chad to funnel arms to the RSF, something the UAE denies. A New York Times investigation specifically alleged that a field hospital at the airfield operated by the Emirates Red Crescent is being used as a cover for the military intervention. The International Federation of the Red Cross and Red Crescent, IFRC, told Global News it was not involved in the Emirati operation and not aware of it until media coverage. It says it was not possible for its team to access the hospital as it was patrolled by Chadian security forces. 2 months after the war began last year, the Emirates granted Chad a $1.5 billion loan. When Global News asked the Emirates Red Crescent about the hospitals, it said it is disturbing that its humanitarian efforts could be subjected to false allegations or politicised. US President Joe Biden met with his Emirati ally President bin Zayed last month, a day before he said this at the UN.
The world needs to stop arming the generals.
But there is little sign anything has changed. Iran, Egypt and others have also been accused of stoking the war in the resource-rich nation. Redmond Shannon, Global News, London.